how to change audio language in YouTube. Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll guide you through how to change audio language in YouTube. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Recently we are able to change audio language in YouTube videos. Now I'll show you how. First of all, you can see I'm here in my mobile. Now I'll go to YouTube and over here I'll search for Mr. Beast video. Over here you can see one of Mr. Beast's video. I'll click on this. You can see this is video. Now to change audio language, first of all click to this gear icon on the top right, and over here you can see audio track. Just tap on this and over here you can find multiple languages to choose with. Now you can choose any language you want. Now I'll go with this Portuguese. And now if I play, you can see audio is changed to different language. For now, this feature is not available on every YouTube videos. Hopefully, we'll get this on the recent future. So in this way, we can change audio language on YouTube videos. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.